What's up everybody, welcome to Clarity Unlock. My name is Dale and today we are drawing the 7th wall of our challenge. This is the wall from the last video if you want to check it out. Before we begin, please subscribe and hit the notification button. Thank you for your time, let's begin. As you can see, I started from the sky because this blue is my favorite blue. I want you to comment down your ideas to inspire me for future video. Your inspiration is my inspiration and our inspiration is a good content to inspire people, and I want you to be inspired from the inspiration you give me. And let's continue with the sky. I really enjoy making this piece. I hope you also like it as well. I hope life finds you very good. My friends bullying me right now. If you want to help me and go find a new life. All these pieces is available as a high quality poster. The link is in the description. Go check it out. Thank you very much. Let's continue. That was it guys, thank you very much for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell.